What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to everybody for pulling up to the channel. Appreciate y'all, man. Shiba Inu coin investors, we got some good news today, man. But first off, join the private investment community on Facebook, private stock market game. If you want to get exclusive entry, let in ASAP, tap in to get the course. Join me on Twitter as well at DecemberDeMarco. Same way the YouTube channel is spelled. Now, please, y'all, be aware that there are a lot of scammers pretending to be me. We have Satoshi officially over 500,000 followers on Twitter. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. Appreciate y'all. I will tap in with y'all after this video. Just checking out, seeing what news Satoshi has retweeted, but this is major news. So here in Venezuela, they say we are building the Shiba zone in Venezuela. We won't say the exact location yet, but if we will say what it is on the way, many merchants accepting Shiba. Also, quality care with incredible people and establishment named after the founder of Shiba. More details very soon. So this sounds very exciting. This is going to, set off a ripple effect of other people doing things like this. Just stay tuned because I also have some news for y'all. And officially, the event date will be released tomorrow. I'm working on getting a flyer for that. So y'all that are looking for, to attend my crypto seminar, please stay tuned. Tomorrow, I will be releasing details for that. A lot of people been asking me, what's up with the date? I'm about to release it. We are about, we're some time away from it, but, I'm giving y'all a heads up. So make sure you send me a message or something, to let me know that you really do not want to miss this event. Send me an email if you really want to get exclusive heads up on this event that will be here in Las Vegas next month. So follow me on Twitter as well. Let's take a look at the chart. The markets are down about 1.5% on the day, almost 2%. I'm a little, excited because we got Shib down 20% for the week, which, to some people that might be a bad thing. But for us that are long-term in this crypto, that's a bigger discount. So I told y'all that yesterday we were seeing the price likely to head back down to that 37, I think 22 range. I got to look at it again. But I think that's where it was at. So right now, I'm just waiting for it to continue to pull back. I told y'all to place those buy orders, get them ready. We should be coming back right about to, and this is just what the chart is telling us is likely to happen. So we'll pull out our Bollinger Band on the day chart. Because remember, also on our Bollinger Band, you can see the exact numbers that the prices are likely to hit by reading I can't hover my mouse over it, but look where my mouse is right now, where my mouse is hovering. These three numbers here. So I'm underneath the first number, underneath the second number, underneath the third number. So read those three numbers. Those numbers are the the mid Bollinger Band is listed first, which is the number listed in yellow, which says 5040, which that's our mid area, and the 6271 is our upper Bollinger Band, and the 3808 is our lower Bollinger Band. So right now it is telling us technically we are right on the Bollinger Band. So if you buy right now, you are technically buying it at the best position you can buy on the day chart from what the chart is telling us. Of course, the price can dip down further, but this would be an excellent entry. This is how you buy the dip. You wait for it to hit that lower Bollinger Band, or you use other indicators as well, like RSI, to determine if it is oversold at the moment. And we could see that with our RSI combined on top of our Bollinger Band, that the price could even potentially pull down even further over the next couple days. How do we determine that? Somebody drop in the comment section. I'm gonna be watching for this to see who's actually paying attention. How do you determine the price can still possibly move down using the RSI, which stands for the relative strength index? So I give y'all a moment to drop that real quick. But the way you can determine that it still can cool off is because we have to look at our previous support, our previous support areas on the RSI chart. So it shows us we can go down to that 35.8 range here. But remember, anything over below a 35 is considered oversold. So until it hits that 35, under that 35 mark, it's not technically considered oversold. So we like to wait for it to, become oversold and then buy it up. But really, we like to look for, I told y'all, we start, looking to buy at those 10% dips. We're at 8.7% down for the day. We were just at 8.8% for the day. But we're looking to, possibly load on our position at 10% down, then even more at 15%, then I'm really looking to pull the trigger. If I can see that 15% discount on the day, even sometimes for the week, is still a very good buy, because 20% down for the week, that is a steal. So right now the price is already pushing back up. We were just at that 38.25. We were just at that 38.03. Now we are at 38.26, 38.25 right now. So the people that just caught that dip, the price is trying to push up a little bit, but I would continue to, if you're aggressive, then you can add to your position here. I'm buying here, but also I'm waiting for it to continue to pull down. And really my strategy is just to continue to load up on Shib over time. So that way my bag is so big that once we see, all time high prices, to a level that I'm, like that 1 cent, it's going to be ridiculous. I'll have, a lot of millions at that point, so I'm staying down for the come up. This is money that I don't, mind risking. I only put in, what I'm willing to lose. Now you have to understand that does not mean I'm being, careless with my money, or that I want to lose it, or I don't care about losing it. It just means that that money is not affecting my bills. It doesn't change my lifestyle. It won't put me in the hole if I invest in it. Now, of course, I would be, upset, if the, Shib disappeared and, something happened negative to the project where it caused everybody to leave, of course, but, it would not affect my lifestyle. So that's what I want y'all to do. One of my subscribers told me he bought Shib because of my videos, and he said he put in 600 and it's down now. And, he was upset about that. And, it's like, bro, you gotta, listen to the whole video. I say only risk what you're willing to lose. You cannot put in your rent money and then, the first comes around and you need to take it out and it's down 20-30% and you feeling like you wish you would have never put it in there, because that's what the market makers will do. They're looking for, investors that are impatient, that are, novice investors that don't, that haven't learned enough to understand that, you can't, especially around build time. They looking to take plenty of money off the table during that time, because they know most people have to take their money off. So people take profits during the weekends, to try to, if they did really good, they'll celebrate and take some profits, especially day traders. So day traders take profits for the weekends to go, do whatever they want to do with it. But other investors, might take profits for the holidays, might take profits for, around the 1st, 15th, during those, key, build times. So that's something that I think we're seeing happening right now as we get closer and closer, to Thanksgiving, so happy holidays for y'all that celebrate. But, as we move towards Christmas, people will be taking even more profits off the table. Now, I believe that we'll find some support in this range. I doubt that, we will go below this point right here where we hit this area and traded sideways before that next that major breakout before the all-time high. I highly doubt we'll go under that. Let's see. Now, don't get me wrong, and now tomorrow we be under this, y'all be blowing me up like, bro, you said we wasn't going under this. I'm just saying it would be unlikely, but the markets are being irrational right now, which is something that the markets do. That's what they do. You just have to be in a position where you didn't over leverage yourself, or try to trade using margin or something like that, where you end up getting liquidated, if the price drops too low. So, and that's with stocks, and other things as well, or depending on what brokerage you're using. But I don't see the price falling below these threes. They might pull a lot of money off the table. And really, we have some key support in the 34.14 range, as well as the 36.50 range, right where we seen that wick down to. So notice that. Notice how right that candle, notice how where my mouse is, the wick down to right at this point. And now if we go back to the previous areas in the chart, you'll notice that that is exactly a resistance and support area right there where that happened at. So those are key levels that, we'll start to find support if it does fall, through. So that's why I believe by this point, if it did go back to the threes, so I believe so much people will buy up so much that it would literally push it right back up to this point where it's at now. So, remember, this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Stay down for the come up. Do not get shaken out of your position. This is not financial advice. You're free to do whatever you want to do. But I'm just trying to, help y'all, have some reassurance, so that way y'all don't get shaken out and, be like people that missed out on, $1 million opportunities by leaving projects early, or just out of panic selling or FUD or whatever the case may be. So appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.